Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Why should we learn Python? In this video we will discuss why should we learn Python. In last video we discussed what is Python. If you did not watch that video, I recommend you to first watch that video. I give a link in the description. You can watch. I discuss 5 reasons why learning Python is best. Number 1 is simplicity. Python is simple and easy to use and easy to learn. As you can see that we print hello world in Java by writing 7 lines of code, but in Python only in 1 line. It is simple, but it has all the power and resources to do advanced work. And second point is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the future of the world. By the time is 2030, 800 million jobs will actually taken over by AI. Python is highly used in artificial intelligence. We can work on different language, but for AI recommended language is Python. And the third point is fastest growing language. Python is the fastest growing language. The reason behind this is that it is widely used in artificial intelligence. And fourth point is general purpose language. Python is general purpose programming language. We can use it for different purposes like web app, mobile app, desktop app, IoT and data science. And the last point is popularity and high salary. Python developer have highest salary in the industry. So the average Python developer in the US is $116,000 per year. Top companies that use Python are Google, YouTube, Facebook, IBM and NASA. There are many more. I have listed some companies, but there are many more companies that use Python. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask me in comments.